I think one of the things that I like about Klezmer a lot is that there's so many wonderful tunes. And just all of the scales, they just speak to me in another way, and it's all the dissonance that's there, because a lot of, like, for example, classical music, most of it is very clean. And also in like modern pop music and all that kind of stuff. And it's just, I remember like coming back to klezmer and being interested in it while I played music, and not just while I was a kid and dancing around and having fun. And I think I was about 15 or 16 or something, and I listened to this band who played klezmer, but it's not traditional klezmer. It's also mixed. It's a mixture of a lot of other things. I just remember hearing it. Like, whoa, because it just spoke to me in another way. It didn't. Well, it spoke to the heart and the body at the same time, because you felt like, well, it just goes directly into the heart. There's no gap between it. It doesn't have to come this way or something. It's just okay, because there's so much power in the dissonance, and all of the beautiful melodies, like, also can go so fast, because we're having fun, but we're still Jews and suffering. That's kind of like, yeah, the thing about klezmer, I think, because there's so many ornaments, there's so many wonderful things, and as a musician, it's really nice to play, because when you play classical, then you have some music, it's sheet music, it's written out, you have to play exactly like that. It's very mechanical, and it can be very beautiful, but there's almost no room for interpretations. Of course there's always a little, but if you play in a symphony orchestra and if you aren't a soloist, then you just have to play exactly what's written. And with klezmer music, you have to play the melody in your own way, because everyone plays the melody in their own way, and it's their own interpretations. And it's the same with how Jews pray, because they'll sit in the synagogue and they'll be like, then they'll recite like the prayer by themselves and mumble a little bit and do a little rocking. And I think that's very beautiful, because you have to put something into it yourself, and you have to put something of yourself into the music. Otherwise it will just be boring and plain, and it won't be klezmer if you don't make it your own, I think, in some ways. Yeah.